Have you ever asked yourself, if today were the last day of your life, what would you regret the most? Would it be the money you didn't make, the success you didn't reach, or perhaps something else? Many who face the end realize their biggest regrets are not about wealth or fame. Instead, it is about the moments they missed with loved ones, the kindness they didn't express, the courage they never had to live truthfully. Death is not far away. It quietly walks beside us every day. Yet most of us live as if life will last forever. We chase after things that fade while forgetting what truly matters. This talk is not meant to make you fear death, but to help you see life more clearly through it. We live as if we have unlimited time. We delay love, forgiveness, and even happiness, waiting for the right moment. But time is slipping away every day. The Buddha taught the truth of anicca, impermanence. Everything changes: wealth, health, relationships, even our own body. Clinging to what cannot last only creates suffering. When we forget impermanence, we waste life chasing shadows. Those near death often realize that the true value of life is in the simple things: laughter with a friend, a kind word, a moment of presence. These are the treasures that remain in the heart when everything else is gone. Studies and real-life stories show that people facing their last breath often share similar regrets. They regret not spending enough time with family, not daring to follow their true calling, not allowing themselves to be happier. Rarely do they regret not earning enough money. Rarely do they regret not owning more things. Instead, they regret not living fully, not being true to themselves, and not loving deeply enough. This is where Dhamma shines, reminding us that life is short and that every moment is precious. To see this clearly is to begin living differently, with wisdom instead of delusion. Death is not the opposite of life, but a part of it. To reflect on death is not to be gloomy, but to wake up. When we accept death, we stop wasting time. We dare to live honestly, to love more deeply, and to let go of unnecessary anger or pride. We start to see what truly matters: compassion, kindness, and presence. The Buddha taught that mindfulness of death, maramanusati, leads us to live without carelessness. To remember death is to value life. If today were your last day, what would you do differently? Would you forgive someone? Call your parents? Chase a dream you've been hiding in your heart? The truth is, we don't know how much time we have left. Every breath may be the last. When we live with this awareness, we naturally let go of trivial worries. We live lighter, freer, and with more love. Life without regret is not about doing everything, but about living meaningfully in whatever we do. To love while we can, to give while we can, and to be present while we can. In the end, death is the greatest teacher. It strips away illusions and shows us what is real. The question is not how long we live, but how deeply. Did we love fully? Did we live truthfully? Did we see life as it truly is? So let this be the reminder: life is fragile, but also precious. Use every breath wisely. Live today in such a way that when death comes, there will be no regret, only peace.